What's good, YouTube? It's your boy C. It's your boy me. Yay! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy me. It's your boy C. We back with another. Let me hear you say it. Banger, banger, banger. You already know what it is, man. Hey, man. Say, man, how your day, man? Hey, look, twin. Don't make me get on your ass, bro. You woke up today. I woke up today. You know what that means, right? That means we're absolutely blessed. Blessed beyond measure. Like, we take a second and thank the Lord. Like, just thank. So, you like, hey, man, what we got going on today? Well, first thing I need you to do for me right quick, like, twin. Now, first thing I need you to do, right? Bow.
Hello.
Right there. That's the Instagram, twin. I need you to follow your boy on the Grammiana. Straight like that. Follow your boy on the Grammiana. Ain't no games to be played around with. Follow me up on there. That's how you gonna know when I'm in your city, because your boy be traveling a lot. I'm trying to find out what city, what state got the best smoke. So, definitely be there, right? Discord, we doing a giveaway when it's coming up like 350 members. We running it up very close to that, man. Y'all been going crazy, bro. Like, been going stupid. I love y'all, man. Y'all be making my day in there, just trolling, having a good time, good vibes, good energy, all that. So thank y'all for all that. You already know what it is. So the message of the day today is walk in faith. Everything you do, bro, walk in faith. If you want to walk down this road, walk in faith. If that's what it's meant to be, if that's what God has lined up for you, that walk is going to walk itself. You know what I'm saying? He's going to walk that walk with you. You know what I'm saying? So please walk in faith, bro. Like, we do a lot of trying to figure stuff out on our own and end up right back where we started, when we could have done that one take if we would have walked in faith. You feel me? God's timing is so much better than our timing. That's the main thing too. So without further ado, bow them heads, let's get straight into that prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for just waking us up and blessing us with another beautiful day, Lord. I thank you so much for the person watching this video, Lord, because you're working with that person just like you're working with me, Lord, and you just never give up on us, Lord. And I thank you so much for that, Lord. And I thank you for the path that you have made for each and every one of us and just walking down it with us, Lord. I thank you so much for just allowing us to have a good outlook on the world, Lord. Even though it be negative and there be a lot going on, you allow us to wake up with positivity in our eyes and with a positive outlook on the world, knowing that we can go and get anything we want in this world through you, Lord. And I thank you so much for everything you do and the inspiration that you just are for us to just keep going, Lord. I thank you so much for keeping that in us, Lord. And I just love you so much and cannot say thank you enough, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So I know you're like, all right, twin, what we got going on? You done the intro. We done walked it down. You know, sub 4, low key. Shout out to you. You feel me? And you know what I need you to do before we even get into the rest of this thing? I need you to go down below and let me know what you're either eating or what you're smoking on. You know I need to know that. So let me know down below. But YouTube, this is a completely educational video. I'm just letting my people know about stuff like, you know, this new company. I never worked with this company. Is it safe? What's going on? Who are they? What's going on in the industry, in the world? Onomatopoeia, you know what I'm saying? All those things, we got to figure out all of it. So right now we get into the scoop of it educationally. You know what I'm saying? So run the message. Let's get right to it. All right, let me stop playing and show y'all what we got. Feel me? Package showed up at my door today. Straight like that. Look at what it say. Look at what it is, right? This is something I know for a fact y'all have never, ever seen on the channel before. First time review, first time for everything, so we're gonna get into it. So let me show y'all what we got, man. Bow. Yeah, this is from my people at the Chilla Smoke Shop. Chillabites, Chilla Smoke Shop. They hit me on Twitter as Chillabites, so that's how I got tapped in, you feel me? But this is them, you feel me? Had to mark out the link. But you see me, this is some of their mule fuel. Now, one thing I really do like about their packaging, damn, I'm shaking like a motherfucker, ain't it? One thing I really do like about their packaging is it says exactly what the effects are, what the tastes are. You see, this is a diesely, spicily taste. I low-key wanted some diesel, so this low-key what we rolled up, I ain't gonna lie. But y'all see, man, I like the packaging. It's sleek, clean, straight to it. It tell you what it do, tell you what it's supposed to taste like. And it's just simple, bro. You can hit the COA, or you can hit the QR to get straight to the COA. And that was the first thing they sent me, the mule fuel. Now, look, this, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know. If you wanna see everything, hit the short. Bow. I can't show you in this video simply because of YouTube's, like, policy. I can't show the flower in these videos no more. I know, I don't like it either, but that's just the way it is. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's just the way it is, man. So, I need you to rock with your boy. Go hit the short, slide right back here. We vibing, just like that. Now, man, this has, like, a very, like, gassy taste, almost like a diet gelato, as crazy as that might sound, but I'm getting like a little bit of sweet lotto notes on that hoe. Now, I'm gonna keep it a whole stack. I do think both of these packs they sent me are outdoors. This was a $20 eighth. The other one was like a $30 Quake. or a 7 Vic, wherever you want to call it. So this is more on your budget friendly side, you know what I'm saying? Something everybody can afford, everybody can rock with. So that's how I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna rate it on some, it's, you know, rated E for everybody with the affordability. So I ain't gonna lie, this one does have this one in my opinion has a better smell than the other one, but this one, like, you can actually smell like those specific notes in that is that mule fuel. Now the next one I got a quake of this. You know, if you want to see a video, y'all gotta let me know, you feel me? Another Chilla Smoke classic, but this is that cantaloupe haze. Now y'all see the taste on that, man. Y'all see the effects. This is something that y'all would usually see me smoke, you feel me? I feel like if you know me, you know this is usually what I would go with on the channel, especially for a first time. But I wanted to switch it up a little bit today, you feel me? I wanted to try, well, really I wanted to try the mule fuel just as it is, because I wanted something gassy, funky, skunky, you know what I'm saying? I wanted that route today, so that's exactly what we're gonna do, bro. Like I said, this was a $30 Q, that's a $20 eighth. These both look fire. Let me crack this joint open and give y'all another smell right quick. It does smell like cantaloupe, as weird as that sounds. Like, it has a melon smell, a little hazy notes. But y'all, if y'all gotta go look and let me know what y'all think of it, man. And if you've ever had cantaloupe haze, you gotta let me know what that distinct, like, note that I'm smelling is. It does low-key smell melony. What is that? What is that, chat? But y'all know the drill, man. Oh shit, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a Woodiana. Y'all already know what we doing, man. We getting straight into it. We ain't wasting no time. Yeah, fluent language, that's me. So let me go ahead and swipe this bitch up. Cheers. Now, before I do get this sparked, I know I just pump faked y'all. I do gotta say, bro, I'm not judging this completely off of looks. If I was giving it a looks, it'd probably be like a B or a like C+ range, somewhere in that category, that range, you feel me? Not too bad, you feel me? But just not like the greatest thing I've ever seen, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it ain't about how she look, it's about how she book. And I'm trying to see how this bitch booking, you know what I'm saying? Cheers. Okay, I can say this. I can immediately clear this, right? So, I'm not gonna lie to you. Because of how she was looking, like I said, bro, it's not about how she was looking, all that shit. Like, I was a little scared on what she was gonna taste like. I didn't know how she was gonna come through because she ain't the prettiest motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? She ain't the prettiest. I ain't gonna lie to you. She's not. This was the perfect thing to roll up in the wood, okay? So look, if you're looking for like your candy, sweetness, your gelato, or your runts, no. You're not gonna get that with this specific strain right here. But what you are going to get is a gassy, like, funk skunk diesel. A diesel is a really good way to describe it. Diesel always reminds me of like a chemical funk. And I'm not gonna lie, this definitely hits those notes, that chemical funk, all of that, man. Hey, I gotta let y'all know too, if y'all don't be tapped in on Wednesdays for the live streams with me, Tay, Glow, and X, what are you doing, twin? We all be in that bit vibing, smoking, having a great time. All we missing is you to vibe with us. Come on, twin, hit them notifications so you don't miss them Wednesday streams, bro. It's like 8 o'clock every Wednesday. How have you not seen them yet? Come on, twin, you gotta be there. You gotta be there or be square, face ass.
Be there or be square. Clearly he wasn't there.
This is the smoothness on this is really surprising me. I'll give y'all a quick little ass check too. Ass definitely don't look bad. I know how some of y'all really do believe in that theory, so I always gotta show y'all. But bro, like, now let me be very clear. This is not an indoor. So indoor, you know, you usually it's flavor packed. The flavor is like boom.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
What do you mean by that?
No diddy. I was about to say some crazy shit. This is a lot more subtle, but it's there. You definitely taste it. You definitely know it's there, but it's still subtle. You know what I'm saying? This is it's just smooth, bro. This is a very smooth smoke. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very surprised because how it was looking, bro. I was trying to be optimistic. Y'all know how I like to try to be. I try to be optimistic. I was looking at it and I was like, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to expect from that bit. For real. But we broke it down. We smoked it. She's definitely doing good. Y'all know what it is, man. And y'all know CX1? Something about CX1 gonna get you right every time. You know what I'm saying? I guess you should check the comments, though. I don't know what that is. I would check the comments if I was you. This might be one of them ones that I put in a very underrated category. Don't know. I've never heard anybody really talk about this company. Y'all, like, they reached out to me. You feel me? So I wanted to see what it was. I was gonna give them a fair chance. You know what I'm saying? This was a complete blind review. You know what I'm saying? And this was like a $50 order. So I got all this for like $50. You know what I'm saying? Or they sent the $50 code. Let me get very clear. You know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at this. I know your boy, you know, we've been smoking a lot of stupid Zaz in 2026. This flavor wise is not one of those, but smoothness wise is just as smooth as the rest. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this was taken care of. Even though it might be outdoor, it was definitely taken care of properly. You know what I'm saying? This is what we've been looking for, some good outdoor. Hey, they did that. Now watch, this be like greenhouse or something. It's all in the head too, like all in the head. This bitch tell you sleepy joke. I really do enjoy this. This is something you'd roll up every day. Like literally a good everyday roll up pack right here. A great everyday roll up, no bullshit. That's low key what I've been looking more of, because they've been sending me. I get the stupid eyes. It's like I only get to roll it up once. If I need more of this to roll up every day. Hey, you know what time it is. I'm gonna let y'all get a hit. I'm gonna rate this bit. Then we gonna get up out of here. So let's do it, man. Or I'm gonna take a hit. Let y'all get a hit. Rate this bit. Then get about it. That's how we do it. So let's do that. I'm very surprised. This was very smooth, no cap. So let me let y'all get right, Twin. You know what I'm saying? Do what you need to do. Get right. You feel me? All right. Let me rate this bit. Let's do it, Twin. Very smooth. Very WWW pack. I'm not gonna lie to you. They definitely did that one. I cannot lie. This was a W. You feel me? I'll give this out of 10. I give this like a looks. It was like a 7. I'm not gonna lie. Looks was like a 7. Smoke was like an 8.4. You feel me? So this is like a 7.8, 7.98. You know what? Honestly, because of how smooth it was, how I'm feeling right now, the skunkiness, it tasted like something you would usually smoke back. Not even usually, but like some good smoke back in the day. Not like the out of body, like what the, but like, oh yeah, this is good, Twin. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get this a solid 8 flat. 8 flat. You feel me? 7 on the looks, 8 overall. No cap. Like 8.4 on the taste, smoking effects. You feel me? But hey, I'm gonna take me one more hit, then we can get up out of here. Ooh, wait. Yeah, chat, that's gonna do it. Hey man, shout out to them folks at Chillabites, Chilla Smoke. You know what I'm saying? They definitely hooked it up. So you already know what it is. You already know what I'm saying too, without even saying it. So you feel me? It's been your boy C. It's been your boy Me. If you living well, ooh, it's been your boy C. It's been your boy Me. If you living swell and you smoking well, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never ever say oh with me. Ever miss an upload from your boy. You know you used to like playing with your boy. But other than that, man, I love y'all so much. I'm gonna get a shot for the next one, dog. Peace. I appreciate you for liking the video. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but I appreciate you for stopping by. YouTube say you gonna like this video right here if you like this one, Twin. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, you gonna like that one. But you hear the song? That's my song, Soul Circus. It's out. It just dropped on my project 1111 by me, YouTube exclusive. Go hit that corner, man. Go tap in with it, man. I love y'all. See y'all for the next one. Don't try, little bruh. Promise you ain't got enough steez. If you reach, little nigga, you shaking his head at the meet and greet.